Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Now, things are happening on my brother's keeper that we do not want to happen. Uyalwa ukhatha ulwa noNdumiso. And remember, uNdumiso is their cheerleader. It's just that these ladies don't know. Like uNdumiso yabathanda, it's just that they don't know. Balwelani indaba yokuthi abhadale irent because the expenses zidla kuye uNdumiso. Hayi ukhatha atshela uNdumiso where to get off aze atshela uNdumiso phambi kwalo ukuthi awuyi-own le ndawo ownwa umshengu what uthini ke wam-advise wathi Paula, this is not an embarrassment. Wena you must make sure that you're a director in this thing so that at least une-share unani. If we are going to build assets, we must start now. So nje hayi yaqalwa yakhuluma i-conversation. Now here's the thing. I think ukuthi lento ukuthi umshengu apha ujack of all trades, master of none, or askis maybe he's mastering the business, but apha ujack of all trades is tiring because now even when they fight, umshengu with this, umshengu with that, umshengu with this, umshengu with that. Speaking of umshengu is neglecting uMamChunu to an extent yokuthi uMamChunu is so stressed and is discussing the whole matter noNdumiso. Ebustressini bakhe uMamChunu ayikhulume noNdumiso, hayi bayibone ngenye indlela. Hayi ngale umshengu is playing happy family noFakazile nabantwana noNqubeko. uNqubeko vele hayi ujabulile ukuthi wabakhuxolisile and so here's the catch, right? uMamChunu kulesimo akakhulunyiswa ugel akakhulunyiswa uyasideline nani adecide ke uMamChunu ukuthi aguge inyawo zakhe ayofunana nomshengu. Afike kaNqubeko makathi umshengu nangu uhleka untitse la motlhahare ko rona mothathe yang tshwana le mshengu eleng hore o palla go araba phone ya MamChunu. Ngapha uMamChunu is busy making calls to the lawyers trying to understand ukuthi how can she best revive the case yaka uNqubeko abuyele ejele, you know, but ke umshengu is not there. Umshengu is playing happy family no Doreen Majola. As uMamChunu was weeping akhala khaliswa ile nto indoda yakhe menza yona, excuse me, ujabulile uMamChunu, yazini usmile ugele, she's having the time of her life on the expense kaMamChunu.